Here are 5 incredibly easy one-look class layer algs worth learning, because first, they are very easy to recognize, second, they are incredibly quick to execute, and third, they save you from really bad last layers, saving you up to 22 moves. To execute this, you start with the thumb, F, and here it is. Here, you have to push here, and at the same time, you see this hand, and it just makes it way more consistent. Then you can do your R2 prime, then here you push, and finish with the thumb F prime. And at full speed, it looks like this. So giving a sub 2 or even sub 1.5 second last layer, saving seconds of your time. The coolest part is, if you do the standard algorithm, it gives the VPerm, and if you do the JPerm VPerm, it saves 22 moves. And if you do a different VPerm from this angle, then since there's no pre and AUF, then that actually saves only 20 moves, which is still a lot. Anyway, enough yapping about this case, let's go to the next one. So for case number 2, it's really easy. All it is flipping these 2 edges. And the recognition from the back is also really easy, because once you recognize the OLO, the only time this OLO has these 2 bars is for this case. So if you see it, do a U2. And then here's the algorithm, which starts basically with a fat, sexy move kind of thing. And then it just flows. At full speed, once again, it's very quick, giving you a sub 2 or even sub 1.5 second last layer again. So I actually recently had a solve with this case in it, and I have the link in the description, so the first link, please check it out. Before we jump into the third case, if you're enjoying the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more cubing tips and cubing content. Okay. So for this case, it is the POLO with the line here, and to recognize it, it's just you've got these 2 bars, and the algorithm is really easy, kind of like the beginner method algorithm called a Nicholas. So it starts off like this, and then here, instead of inserting it like that, you do a U2, and you put this down, and then you go like this. And at full speed, it looks like this. Right, so the next case is just the mirror, so it can be set up with the same algorithm. And this is just the same, but mirrored on this side. And yeah, the recognition is the same, but this time you start on the left side, so like this. So these 2 algorithms can be executed roughly the same speed, and they save you from a GPerm, saving roughly 10-ish moves. Now for the last case, it is this OLO with a bar here in the front and all of these solved. And all it is basically a T-perm. So you start like this, like a normal T-perm. And here, what you need to do is R, U2, R prime, U prime, F prime. So it's just a different insert. Once again, this algorithm can be done really fast. Want to learn how to solve this case this quickly? Follow for more.